Elevate your public speaking skills with mentorship and coaching. Hello everyone. Welcome to today's video. We're going to delve into a fascinating topic within the realm of continuous education and professional development. Today, we'll discuss how mentorship and coaching can be invaluable tools to improve your public speaking skills. So, whether you're a novice speaker or an experienced orator looking to polish your skills, this video is for you. To start, let's clarify what we mean by mentorship and coaching. Mentorship involves a relationship between two people where a more experienced or knowledgeable person helps guide a less experienced or knowledgeable person. In our context, a mentor would be someone who is already proficient in public speaking and can offer guidance and advice based on their own experiences. On the other hand, coaching is typically a professional relationship where a coach employs specific strategies and techniques to help you achieve your public speaking goals. A coach isn't necessarily a mentor, but they're focused on helping you improve your skills in a structured manner. Both approaches provide different learning opportunities that can immensely benefit your journey in mastering public speaking. Having a mentor in the realm of public speaking can provide you with a myriad of benefits. Firstly, mentors provide invaluable personal experience. They have already walked the path you're venturing on and can share insights, tips, and cautionary tales. Secondly, mentors can offer constructive feedback on your public speaking style. By watching and listening to your speeches, mentors can identify areas of strength and areas that need improvement which might not be evident to you. Lastly, mentors can encourage and motivate you throughout your learning journey. Public speaking can be daunting, and it's easy to feel disheartened, but having a mentor by your side can keep you motivated to persist and improve. Now, let's turn to coaching. One of the key benefits of coaching is its structured approach. Coaches use proven methods and techniques to help you improve your public speaking skills. This process is systematic and goal-oriented, which often leads to more measurable improvements. Furthermore, coaching often involves practice and role-playing activities, offering you a safe environment to experiment, make mistakes, and learn. These activities can be tailored to your specific needs and weaknesses, which makes the learning process highly personalized. Lastly, a coach can help you overcome specific public speaking anxieties or hurdles. Whether it's stage fright, issues with voice projection, or problems with pacing, a coach can provide targeted techniques to overcome these challenges. Deciding between mentorship and coaching, or choosing to incorporate both into your learning journey, depends on your personal preference, learning style, and specific needs. You might prefer the personal touch and experiential wisdom of a mentor, or you might thrive under the structured, goal-oriented approach of a coach. The key is to be open to different learning opportunities and find what works best for you. As we've seen, mentorship and coaching both offer unique ways to develop your public speaking skills. They can provide guidance, inspiration, feedback, and a roadmap to help you become a better speaker. Remember, the path to mastering public speaking is a journey, and like all journeys, having a guide can make the process smoother and more rewarding. Here's hoping this video has shed some light on how mentorship and coaching can assist you in your public speaking journey. Stay tuned for more insightful videos on improving your English language skills. Happy learning, everyone!